I'm on the street. Since I'm on the street.
City living, y'all. City living, y'all. Yeah, within the inner city labyrinth, it's madness. I live my life stillborn, already has been. No goals, you might have suffered something death syndrome. Passion got us go backstand, stuffed in the shoebox, thrown in the trash bin, trying to survive. My pride cashed out, no doubt. Leaving my dignity with no clout, just about harmless. More chillin' than the last painting of a starving artist. He steps a brushstroke and his cutthroat passes my canvas. Inspired by the madness going down in this metropolis. I went from obelisks and pyramids to skyscrapers. Obsessed by the myriads, a way to find paper. My divine makeup got my mind racing at a pace of a beta breaker from Kenneth. So much potential, could have been the contender, but now I'm washed up, punched on from all the lights, pivots and turns. You'd understand if you just lived it and learned. City living, y'all.
Since I'm on the street. Since I'm on the street. Since I'm on the street.
Within the inner city labyrinth, it's madness. But if I'ma be reborn, I need a catalyst. No holes, my mind's been cluttered with enough baggage. Cause if she's gotta have it, I can end up your average handcuffed savage. Perish the thought, time to redeem these daydreams to reign supreme. Marriage ought to be with the queen and thinks the same thing. The same team, potential mother who knows the right color schemes. As I draw my lights painting, now what's my motivation here? A fresh pair of kicks or 380 squares, or just to know that brother in the six really cares. Say the blank stares for somebody else. What good success if you ain't sharing the wealth? I sound bitter. Here in the gutter, nothing glitters, so I'm lumped with the rest of these quitters. The king of the jungle around my throne, it's infested with critters. But when you walk by, I give you the jitters. Go figure. So what's your